Canada is one of the most overweight places in the world, and it's often due to lack of activity. Fortunately for you, there are personal fitness trainers who can help you with this. A great way to start achieving your goals or making things a little bit easier when doing activities as simple as grocery shopping would be hiring an experienced professional trainer. And there's so many in Vancouver, BC. A qualified expert will know what types of exercises that work best suited towards helping clients reach their desired results as quickly but responsibly possible, while still taking into account any limitations they might possess. So here's 5 ways to know you found one of Vancouver's best personal trainers. They're qualified. So they're certified, knowledgeable. The best trainers are qualified, certified, and knowledgeable. They know what the most effective way to get you where you want to be in your goals while still keeping your posture perfect so that they don't injure any of their clientele with improper form. Make sure they can demonstrate the simplest of everyday tasks appropriately, like squatting, like deadlifting, which is hip hinging, like breathing diaphragmatically. If you don't know how to do that, check out our YouTube page and use us as the role model trainers as you interview other trainers. So, certified trainers in Canada, there's no national governing body that they have to be certified. So, when you look closely, ask them if they're certified, check up on their knowledge. There's many different bodies of knowledge in Canada, and unfortunately, at many places, I've bumped into trainers who are not certified. A great trainer wants to soak up as much knowledge as possible. They want to stay current with everything. They have to take so many courses every single year to maintain their certification and make sure they're insured. So, knowledge is important. It's important for personal trainers to be on the top of their game. They need to attend these national seminars and trainings so that they can keep up with the ever-changing fitness industry and all its trends. If you have any questions about the new emerging training techniques, ask away, because we love questions. It shows you're interested, and they should have an answer for you. And if they don't have an answer because it just came out today, guaranteed they're going to have an answer for you shortly. They help you set up realistic, achievable fitness goals. Personal trainers are there to help you reach your goals, but they should help by developing a program that's tailored just for what you need. And if the trainer doesn't align with how far or how fast-paced of an exercise routine would be best suited for you, then this could lead to frustration and ultimately no success at all. The job of a trainer is to help you achieve your goals. And in some cases, they are pushing pushing you beyond your limits. Make sure that you can communicate well with them and that they know your limits, and they can still keep you with those limits and set you a little bit outside of your comfort zone. Because if it's too overwhelming, you're gonna quit. So, make sure that you do communicate with your trainer. Always feel free to give your feedback to your trainer so they know how to modify your upcoming program. Make sure they have homework for you if you're willing to accept that. Make sure that they know and are confident on every single exercise they give you. You see, the next thing is results. And if you're paying a personal trainer, you want to see results. Success kind of depends on you and the trainer. Your specific goals, sometimes trainers have their clients follow advice without considering factors like diet and exercise in a bundle. In those cases, honestly, the conversation could be a real benefit for both parties. You need both. And when I say diet, it doesn't have to be a fad. Diets can make or break the weight loss journey or body composition or strength journey. These could be barriers that you have mentally, and you need to have these talks with the trainer. The trainer should be able to provide you, at the very least, how much protein you should consume for your metabolism, how much carbs, how much fat. We want to make sure your metabolism's revved up and that it's not dying, because every day our body's trying to make ourselves fuel efficient, so our metabolism could be slowing. So whatever that is, for you, your trainer should have a plan. Trainers who are confident in their abilities to create a great atmosphere for others to learn. This is what you're looking for. They have satisfied clients speaking highly of them. You'll see testimonials, you'll see referrals. These are the best trainers that you're looking for. You look for former client success stories. Look for all this when you're looking for your personal trainer before you decide if it's a good match for you. A happy mood is more likely to be achieved through something positive rather than negative. So make sure they have a positive approach to your training. The best trainers in Vancouver are sure of their abilities to help you exceed your own fitness goals. So if you're interested, try contacting us today. Check us out, turnfit.ca/join. We'll go through a free video assessment call through Zoom. I'm going to learn as much as I can about you and see if there's any tips or tricks that I can give you that you can start with instantly. And you'll get a chance to learn about me and my team to see if we're the right fit. And if you just want to have the assessment call to learn how to interview other trainers, I'm game. I want the industry to all have the top level trainers that everybody deserves, because your health matters. Why? Because our health is our greatest wealth. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to ask me, and I'm always there to help you.